Hi guys, welcome back to 375 Dance Studio. My name's Amanda and today we are going to be doing a 15-minute intermediate workout. We're going to start with salsa and then we're going to go to cha-cha, then samba, then jive, and then rumba. Alrighty guys, we will start with a salsa for a warm-up. Get ready, left foot forward. Here we go, forward, back, forward, back. Just a basic step. Keep it up. Very good. We're gonna take it to the side. Keep it up. Very good. We're gonna go back to the basic. We do a basic. Now we're gonna turn. Do it again. Basic and turn. Very good. And now back to that basic. To the side. Basic, turn. Back to the basic. To the side. And basic, turn. Basic. Get ready. We're gonna go opposite. Right foot forward, left foot back. Then we're gonna go to the side. Get ready. Right foot forward. And we're gonna turn. Do it again. And back to the left foot. Side. Basic. Turn. Basic. Turn, switch with the right foot. To the side. And with the turn. And get ready. Switch. To the side. And basic. Turn. Basic. Turn. Switch. And. Very good. Alrighty guys, it is time to get into those intermediate routines. Get ready. We're starting with cha-cha. Get ready. And ronde. Hip twist. Time step. Turn. Hip twist. 3 cha-chas. Ronde, hip twist, time step, turn, hip twist, 3 cha-chas, hip twist, ronde, hip twist. Very good. Keep this up. it up, guys. Breathe in through your nose, out of your mouth. Very good. Keep it up. Use those legs. Make sure those feet stay on time. Ta, 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 ta. 2, 3, 4, and 2. And 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. Very good, guys. Think about how your knees are working together, coordinated. The straightening of the knee. Keep it up. Very good. Let's see how our hips work. Very good. Nice rotations. Keep it up. If you need a second to breathe, that's okay. You can do it and join us back whenever you're ready. And done. Very good, guys. Whew. Alrighty, guys. It's time for that samba. Let's catch our breaths. Breathing in through the nose, out of the mouth. Very good. Get ready. We're gonna start with our foot to the side. We're gonna start with a Botafogo. Get ready. 5, 6, 2 Botafogos. Volta around. Now whisk, 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 7 and 8 and 1 box. Batucada, switch, ronde, 5, 6, 7, 8. Botafogo, around, and whisk. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Switch, ronde, hold, go. That ending, super funky. I know. And 1, 2, switch, 5, 6, 8. Now, did you just see what Sergey did? You can choose to go no rotation in that box. That's okay. Or you can, after this whisk, ready? We're gonna try it with that rotation now. Very good. Keep it up. Very good, guys. Again, in through the nose, out of the mouth. Now we have jive. This is the last push before we have our Rumba as a cool down. So get ready. We're gonna do kicks. We're gonna go kick, kick, forward side, drunken sailor, kick, kick, forward side. Then we go cross, tap, step, step, kick, we box. And drunken sailor, hold, and go, kick. And cross. Quick ones with the kick. Now, box you could do without a rotation. Very good, guys. Keep this up. Or with a rotation. Keep it up. You can do it. Keep pushing. Very good, guys. Breathe in through your nose, out of your mouth. If you can't jump anymore, that's okay. Keep it nice and flat. Get those legs. Time those legs. Very good, guys. We made it. Breathe in through your nose. Out of your mouth. Very good. Last and final dance. We have this Rumba. Get ready. Feet together, we're gonna go back, forward, point. Garacho. Ooh, I tripped over my own foot. And cross, cross, spiral, and switch. And side, side. Back to the beginning. Followers sliding doors. Cucaracha, delayed walks, spiral, now leader sliding doors, cucaracha, cucaracha. Very good. Keep this up. This is your cool down, but doesn't mean that you don't do all of the actions that are necessary. Keep it up. As much as you're tired, your legs are hurting, your feet are cramping. I know, I feel it. But keep it up. Very good. We're almost there, guys. We're at the finish line. Keep it up. How about think about your arms? how your arms are working. Use them every step. Opening them. Very good. Alrighty guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye.